Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Cocomi today demanded immediate and decisive legal action against Committee on Tribal Unity Cotu and its leadership for challenging sovereignty of the nation and for undermining authority of Union Home Minister and Government of India. While referring to Cotu's unbreakable declaration of Kuki-Zo community, which had asserted that no free movement shall be permitted in Kuki-Zo land, in defiance to Union Home Minister Amit Shah's recent directive to ensure free movement on national highways starting March 8th, while alleging that Cotu's declaration disrespects rule of law and violates the rights of free movement within Indian territory, Cocomi said Cotu's stance for no peace before separation exposes their role in perpetuating violence and is a deliberate attempt to destabilize peace efforts in Manipur. Cocomi also demanded Centre to arrest and prosecute those responsible for issuing such inflammatory statement and to ensure enforcement of law and order to prevent further incitement and blockades in Manipur.